Welcome back to Wealth Code. It's 2015 in a cramped conference room in San Francisco, where tensions run high. Alex Chen, the founder of a fledgling app development startup called AppVenture, erupts with anxiety as he pitches his innovative idea for a personal finance app aimed at millennials. The stakes are high. His savings, nearly $50,000, are about to vanish if he fails to secure funding. As investors' eyes glaze over, a bold statement escapes Alex's lips. In 5 years, our app will revolutionize how young people manage their money. The silence is deafening. A seasoned investor, Sarah Collins, barely raises an eyebrow, noting the app market's saturation and the pathway to profitability that lies cloaked in uncertainty. Meanwhile, an error pops up on his demo, and he freezes, sweat gleaming on his forehead. With dreams teetering on the edge, Alex wonders whether he's made a grave mistake by pursuing the most complex funding environment known to budding entrepreneurs. Just 3 weeks later, Alex revisits his pitch, determined to gain traction. He decides to bootstrap the initial funding, pouring his life savings into AppVenture for a total of $100,000. Investors are skeptical, citing a lack of connections and experience in a demanding industry. Knowing his market shares a formidable challenge, Alex researches furiously, seeking inspiration from startup success stories, honing his business model. By June 2015, he finally lands his first funding round, a $250,000 seed investment from a frugal angel investor named Tom Harris. This deal, however, is fraught with tension. Tom insists on a 20% equity stake in exchange for his support, a steep price for Alex, but one he feels compelled to accept. He believes this seed money can propel him through the initial phases and boost credibility. As he waves goodbye to 20% of his vision, he feels a mix of relief and trepidation about giving away a slice of his burgeoning dream. The seed funding allows Alex to hire a small team of talented developers, and by early 2016, they launch a beta version of the app, dubbed Fundify. User testing begins in March, and responses are overwhelmingly mixed. Users enjoy Fundify's slick interface but struggle with bugs and a lack of personalized features. Amidst the initial hype, an unexpected twist emerges. The investors demand proof of user engagement and growth metrics within just 3 months to validate their investment. Heightened pressure weighs on Alex as he races against time to enhance the app. The stakes evolve. With dwindling cash reserves, he learns of a new funding model called a Series A round, aiming for $1 million. In seeking user feedback, he faces numerous challenges in product iteration, ultimately making him reconsider core functionalities. The relentless pressure shakes his confidence, but his commitment drives a pivotal mindset shift, learning from failure rather than wallowing in it. As the beta users drop from 10,000 to only 2,000, Alex realizes the app's monetization strategy isn't working. It's October 2016, and Fundify is on life support. Determined to pivot, Alex introduces a subscription model and a premium tier, yet the monthly churn rate remains disheartening at 12%. Reality sets in. The app must scale fast or perish. Convinced he needs to offer something more unique, Alex coordinates a rapid design hackathon, leading a team to innovate new features. They pitch to existing investors for additional funding, but skepticism lingers. Trust is wavering. "You're burning through cash and time," Sarah warns, leaving Alex questioning whether another influx of cash could yield the desired results. The light at the end of the tunnel seems to dim as the tumultuous rollercoaster ride takes on fever pitch. With dwindling morale among the team, Alex grapples with sleepless nights, realizing that his startup's fate balances on a knife's edge. The future hangs in uncertainty, yet he refuses to capitulate. Just as Alex feels surrender creeping in, a lifeline emerges. While attending a startup conference in early 2017, he meets Lisa Baker, a well-connected venture capitalist captivated by his determination. Lisa spots potential in Fundify, especially after experiencing a demo where his passion for the product shines through. Instead of the expected harsh critique, she offers him an opportunity for a fresh Series A round. $2 million for 15% equity, but with conditions. User growth metrics need to improve significantly. Alex spends the next weeks re-engaging users, hosting focus groups to refine features. The night of the pitch meeting arrives, and as he stands before Lisa's firm, the stakes surge even higher. "You'll not only be investing in an app, but a movement," Alex implores, presenting key changes made based on user feedback. For the first time, he sees nods of interest. In that room, a glimmer of hope pierces the fog. Fresh capital could mean survival, but only if he can deliver results. In late 2017, Alex's earnest moves begin to generate traction, with a solid user base re-engaging at a growth rate of 30% week on week. On one fateful day in January 2018, Lisa's firm agrees to invest, and the funding is almost transformative. It opens doors, new hires materialize, expanded marketing happens, and the company ethos shifts from survival to innovation. Encouraged by the investment, Alex unveils a redesign of Fundify geared towards personalized engagement, emphasizing financial education in a gamified format. To address user retention, they create a rewards program incentivizing users for financial literacy milestones. Along this uncertain journey, Alex gains insights from every stumble, each failing turning into a stepping stone. As app downloads skyrocket and positive reviews flood in, the turning tide ushers in much-needed confidence and morale within the team. This exhilarating development became the catalyst for Alex, leading an entirely different trajectory forward for Fundify, and reminding him that adaptability can ignite success amid chaos. By mid-2018, Fundify buzzes with energy, surpassing 200,000 users and generating significant monthly revenue. Amid immense optimism, Fundify is approached by a higher-profile venture capital firm interested in a potential acquisition. The pivotal moment arrives in October 2018, when Alex finds himself at a closing day meeting with an offer of $10 million on the table. It's surreal. The journey from a trembling pitch to standing in front of this monumental moment feels like a dream. The decision weighs heavily. Retain 30% equity with potential future growth, or cash out completely. Alex recalls his early conversations with investors, his company's identity, and the mission to empower young people. With vivid clarity, Alex chooses to negotiate for a fair deal, maintaining some ownership while also securing financial stability for his team and their families. This decision alters the trajectory, redefining their future, showing that it's important to evaluate not just numbers, but values behind business decisions. Fundify's growth led to a successful acquisition in early 2019, proving that perseverance and a willingness to pivot drive success in entrepreneurship. Alex's journey from a shaky pitch to industry recognition reveals the indispensable lesson. The startup world is not solely about funding. It's about vision, adaptability, and the relentless spirit of overcoming challenges. As Alex speaks to a new generation of entrepreneurs, he emphasizes the necessity of absorbing feedback and fostering resilience. You can pitch 1,000 ideas, but it's the journey and willingness to adapt that shapes your success, he asserts. He shares this crucial reminder: securing funding isn't an endgame. How you engage with that funding pivot through setbacks, and learn from experiences creates the true wealth code of entrepreneurship. Inspire yourself to explore the endless possibilities and never hesitate to learn along the way. Interested in more insights to shape your success? Discover strategies at Wealth Code today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and like so you can experience more Wealth Code videos.